Hi, I'm Dan Magid, CEO of Eradani. We founded Eradani in 2019 because we saw too many businesses stuck between two bad options. Either keep running with isolated legacy technologies and outdated integrations that limit your options and slow you down, or rip everything out and start over. Neither one made sense to us. So we decided to build something different. At Eradani, we're an AI-first technology company with people-first support. Our platforms use the latest technology to connect your systems faster and in smarter ways than traditional approaches. But technology alone isn't enough. When you need help, with Eradani, you always have someone to call. You get real experts who actually pick up the phone, people who understand the technology in your business and who care about your success. They'll be with you every step of the way. Everything we do is guided by our 4 core values: fanatical commitment to our customer success, excellence in all we do, providing real value, and keeping our employees happy, because happy employees mean happy customers. Whether you need APIs, EDI, or event-driven messaging, our tools handle complex integrations across any environment. We help businesses in manufacturing, distribution, logistics, insurance and finance, healthcare, and retail connect their systems without the typical headaches. And if you have an IBMI, our team has over 200 years of combined experience on that platform. We can help you modernize your legacy applications, connect them to modern technologies, and implement true DevOps practices using the latest tools like Git, Azure DevOps, GitHub, and the rest of the open source DevOps tool stack. What makes us different? We believe in open standards. No vendor lock-in, no surprises, just straightforward technology that does what we say it will. Our customers tell us we are the partner they wish they'd found years ago. We take that seriously, and we work hard to earn their trust every day. So if you're ready to modernize without the headaches, we'd love to talk. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime by clicking the button below.